Chef Jobs in UK with Visa Sponsorship 2023. If you are looking for chef jobs in the United Kingdom with Visa Sponsorship and are unable to find employment, you have come to the right place. We are your guide to finding chef jobs in the United Kingdom with Visa Sponsorship in 2023. Everyone is aware of chef jobs. You will be responsible for preparing and cooking food for customers in a restaurant, hotel, or other food service establishment as a chef in the United Kingdom. Below, you will find comprehensive information on how to apply for chef jobs, who can apply for chef jobs, and the average chef salary in the United Kingdom. After reading this article, it will be very easy for you to find employment in the United Kingdom, as we will also provide you with links to job applications. Details of chef jobs in UK with Visa Sponsorship 2023. Country: UK. Experience required: no visa sponsorship, yes. Salary: £24,000, $33,000 per year. Benefits of chef jobs in UK with Visa Sponsorship 2023. Working as a chef in the United Kingdom can provide opportunities for professional growth and development, as you will have the chance to learn new cooking techniques and work with a variety of ingredients and foods. The average annual salary for a chef in the United Kingdom is approximately £24,000, $33,000, making it one of the highest paying professions in the country. Work-life balance: many chef positions in the United Kingdom offer flexible scheduling, enabling a healthy work-life balance. Working as a chef in the United Kingdom can also provide the chance to experience a new culture and way of life. List of chef jobs in UK with Visa Sponsorship 2023. Chef jobs with Visa Sponsorship. If you are a foreign national and wish to apply for chef jobs with Visa Sponsorship in 2023, please find below the complete contact information for the organization offering such jobs. Assistant chef: you can do assistant chef jobs in the United Kingdom, and to find assistant chef jobs in the United Kingdom, you must follow our instructions and click on the link below, which will take you to another website. Where to locate chef job postings. Check the job description to see if any visa sponsorship is offered. If so, you can apply for this job immediately by clicking the Apply button. Junior Sous Chef Pastry Service Charge: expected £450 per month, £32,000. You will enjoy the following perks as Junior Sous Chef Pastry at Great Scotland Yard Hotel, a Hyatt Hotels property. Sous Chef Service Fee: expected £450 per month, £32,000. Erxted at the Yard is part of the Unbound collection by Hyatt's Great Scotland Yard Hotel. As sous chef at Erxted, you will receive all of Hyatt's benefits,